Welcome to Paul Mitchell, the School of Esani. My name is Raven. I am part of our aesthetics program, and this is my cause bestie, Brittany.
Hi.
We will be here today conducting a facial where I'll be analyzing her skin. I'll be showing you some of the products that I use, and she'll just have a pretty relaxing day. So, stay tuned, watch us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff at Paul Mitchell, the School of Esani. Alrighty, so we just finished up our facial, and Brittany, how do you feel?
I feel fantastic.
That's great. Okay, so that's always what we thrive for, as long as our client is happy, and her skin obviously looks radiant. So when she came in, I did give her a skin analysis. It looks like her skin was just a little bit on the drier side. It was combination. You can tell she gets oily around her teeth, but in her other zones, well, around her cheeks, things like that, she was a little drier. So and then I noticed that she had a few problem areas, so we decided to go with a clarity style facial just to clear up her skin a bit. We of course use the brand Cosmetics, which is very results oriented. It's on the higher end side. It's very exclusive to get. If you are interested in some purchases, come visit us at Paul Mitchell, the School of Esani. Basically, I went in with a first cleanse. It was an oil-based cleanser, just to remove all the makeup. It wasn't a lot of makeup that she had on, but just remove the day, pretty much, any dirt and debris that she had on her skin. I went in with a second cleanser, which was a gentle cleanser. That just soothed the skin and prepared for everything that was coming afterwards. Then actually I went in with a third cleanser to prepare her for exfoliation, and it was an exfoliating cleanser. Then of course, like I said, I gave her an analysis. We analyzed the skin, came to the conclusion that she is combination skin. Went in with a little bit of toner. Then we did an exfoliating mask, which was our glow mask. It has vitamin C and bamboo extract. Then we did a few extractions in her nose. I did see a few compacted comedones. Our comedones are blackheads and or whiteheads. And we went in with a restorative mask. It's actually called Restore. It firms and restores moisture back into the skin. So after all the movement and toning that we did, we restored that moisture back into her skin. Then we finished up with a bit of serums. Gotta love the serum. We used quite a few serums, but they were all geared towards lightening, brightening, tightening, and of course clarity. So, and of course we finished off with a little SPF. Please do not leave the house without an SPF, ever. Or moisturizer, because we gave her some of that too. But please do not, if you don't do anything else, use the SPF. I don't care if you say, oh, it's in my makeup. That's not a lot, sis. That's not enough. You need some SPF. It always needs to be the last layer that you put on. So that is what we did with Brittany today. She enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to follow, of course, Paul Mitchell, the School of Esani on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram at Rae, .the Skin Whisperer. And you can follow Brittany at
Be the Cosmate Chick on Instagram.
Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed us as much as we enjoyed you. We'll see you later. Bye.